Hi there. Recently my wife scratched the rims, unfortunately, and I purchased from eBay this kit to repair the rims and then paint them. And I will try not to repair, only paint them. First of all, to see if it matches the color. Theoretically it's similar, but maybe not exactly the same. So I will paint a little bit and see. Now the car is washed, so it's opportunity. There is something like a plastic film outside here. That is scratchable. I don't know, it doesn't look the same exactly, but I will paint this white. I don't know if it's better now or before. And you can see the difference. I guess it's a little bit better than before. I think so. It looks like this. So this was the video for today. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.